In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. If you need to verify a domain, connect a service, or complete a setup that asks for a TXT record, GoDaddy makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that actually manages the domain you want to update. If you have access to more than one domain, it's a good idea to double-check that you're working on the correct one before making any changes. Once you're inside your account, go to your profile area. From there, click on Domains. This will take you to the section where all of your registered domains are listed. Find the domain you want to edit, then open its management settings. Next, click on DNS. This is the area where your domain's records are stored and managed. DNS settings control how different services connect to your domain, so take a moment here and make sure you're in the right place before adding anything new. Now click Add New Record. This opens the form where you can create a new DNS entry. In the Type field, select TXT. A TXT record is commonly used for domain verification, email authentication, and other service configurations, so this is the correct option when a provider specifically asks you for a TXT entry. After selecting TXT, enter the name and the value exactly as provided by the service you're connecting. This part is important because TXT records need to match precisely. Even a small typo, an extra space, or a missing character can cause verification to fail. If the provider gave you a host name like an @ or a short label, enter it exactly as instructed. Then select the TTL. TTL stands for Time to Live, which controls how long DNS information is cached before refreshing. In most cases, the default or recommended TTL is perfectly fine, especially if no specific value was given to you. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Your new TXT record will then be added to your DNS settings. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not appear instantly. Sometimes they update quickly, but in other cases, propagation can take a little while, so be patient if the service doesn't verify your record right away. That's it. You've successfully added a TXT record in GoDaddy.